Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best paintless dent repair kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Super PDR 31 PC's Auto Dent Puller Paintless Dent Repair Tools Kit. The Super PDR 31 PC's Auto Dent Puller Paintless Dent Repair Tools Kit is just what you need to begin your PDR works. It is one of the most reliable toolkits in the market as it contains different accessories which include bridge dent puller kit, hot melt glue gun, glue sticks, red T-puller scraper, rubber hammer, rag and gloves. All these accessories have been tested and proven to be reliable and fit for use. The product features an ergonomically designed dent popper which helps in pulling out dents easily. This product is easy to use and can take you as little as half an hour to remove a dent. The repair process of the Super PDR 31 PC's Auto Dent Puller Paintless Dent Repair Tools Kit is simple and direct and will not give you a hard time. This product is suitable for the sheet metal processing of trucks, automobile, refrigerators, motorcycle bodies and washing machines. Moving on at number 4, we have the Anyyion AI92 PC's Set Kits Car Body Paintless Dent Repair. Having to transport your vehicle to a mechanic for petty issues is time-consuming and expensive. Anyyion AI92 PC's set kits is the best items to buy as it is perfect for repairing auto body parts. It is ideal to repair dent sizes from 0.1 to 10 inches that may be caused by strike, hail damage, etc. Operating this set kits is very simple and it is not only used to repair all kind of cars but also can be utilized to repair a dent on refrigerators and motorcycles. You can use this to remove dents within half hour and they come with a portable carry bag to store all the 92 pieces set. The tools will not hurt the original painting of your vehicle. At number 3, we have the Super PDR 20 PC's Dent Puller Dent Repair Kits. Recent statistics show that the Super PDR 20 PC's Dent Puller Dent Repair Kits have had many people purchasing of late. Well, this is because of its efficiency and effectiveness in dent repair of metal sheets in automobiles, refrigerators and washing machines. The Super PDR 20 PC's Dent Puller Dent Repair Kits feature very soft dent puller materials that do not cause paint damage. Unlike other kits, this kit is durable enough and can serve you for a very long time. This product provides a suitable platform for anyone to use as the accessories are not complicated at all. The product offers you direct repairing which gives you an advantage of time and cost saving. It contains a dent puller, slide hammer, bridge pullers, green bumps that contain PDR logos to confirm their legitimacy. At number 2, we have the FLY 5D Paintless Dent Removal Repair Kit. Fly 5D is a reputable company and for a long time has produced high-quality products in the market. The FLY 5D Paintless Dent Removal Repair Kit is one of the most reliable and high-quality products released by this company. This dent repair kit features a yellow glue stick that has a strong viscosity and is suitable for the relatively harder parts of cars. The FLY 5D Paintless Dent Removal Repair Kit is powerful enough to pull out dents in auto bodies and any other metal sheet. If you want to keep and maintain your vehicle value, then this is the right product for you. It features high-quality materials that have been tested and proven to be legit and safe for use. And finally at number 1, we have the Muchas PDR Tools Paintless Dent Repair Kit. This is an easy-to-use dent repair kit that is designed to fix your car dents in the shortest time possible. It is a basic and standard PDR kit that contains all the tools you require for dent repair. The Muchas PDR Tools Paintless Dent Repair Kit comes with detailed instructions that help you know what to do, when to do it and how to do it. This product does not give room for damaging your original car paint as it does not have chemicals or other toxic material. It features 12 different pro tabs for different dent shapes. Besides your vehicle, the Muchas PDR Tools Paintless Dent Repair Kit can also be used on motorcycle body, refrigerators and washing machines. The product also comes with a 40W hot glue gun with 10 pieces strong stickiness hot melted glue sticks. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.